Welcome to the 2023 GMC Acadia AT4 in Summit White. This SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Acadia, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, heads-up display controls in behind the steering wheel, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, button-controlled shifter. All-wheel drive and driving modes are selected by the knob in the center console, and Bose audio all around the SUV. Taking a look at the exterior of the Acadia, starting off with your 17-inch aluminum wheels paired up with Continental Terrain contact tires. Moving right along, color-matched door handles, AT4 badge on the door, blacked-out mirror with the LED turn signal strip. Around the front of the SUV, black chrome grille with the classic red GMC badge in the center, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Make our way back down the side of the vehicle. This vehicle is remote start equipped. Black trim around the rear tinted privacy windows. And around the back of the Acadia, chrome exhaust tips as well as the chrome Acadia badge. And on GM's multi-stage hatch, we have a black chrome accent with the classic red GMC badge in the center of it. Heading back inside the Acadia, starting off with your second row seating. Seats are car seat ready, easily collapsible. Plenty of room to access your third row. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV. In the center console here, we have the third zone of your tri-zone climate control, as well as dual USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough in the 2023 GMC Acadia AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.